guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Under Armour Micro G Stellar tactical boot. The price tag is 110 euros. Okay, let's open it, see what is inside. Let's take the boot out, get rid of the box. This is the new version, which was released back in the end of 2024. And few things changed comparing to the old version, the G2. First of all, the outsole. And the midsole. The midsole is a Micro G. It adds more comfort and cushioning. Yeah, it's softer and more comfortable than the other model. And the outsole actually advertised as slip resistant, so non-slip, ready for all weather conditions. And secondary, the upper material, not sure if you can see, is changed. It's more breathable and softer to the touch. The laces just standard laces. Not sure if they are better quality than the old ones. The old ones were really bad. And the loops, same. One on the back, one on the front. It makes it really easy to put on and off. The boot is 20 centimeter high and it weighs around 470 grams, so that's 30 grams lighter than the older model. Is something always, so is lighter indeed. Lighter, more comfortable, softer, yeah, comfortable out of the box. Fits true to size. If we compare it with the old one, I can say have some advantages and disadvantages. So, as we said, we have more comfort and breathability, but it's not waterproof anymore. So, I will not recommend for rainy weather conditions. Still, polishable leather on the front, on the toe, on the front toe. So, remains the same. That one used to be leather, is not. It's kind of nylon, still waterproof, I guess, but not leather. So the only leather is on front until here. This is soft material with small holes on it, as you can see. Let's put it closer. Yeah. And that's the label. Made in Vietnam. The inserts are standard, nothing fancy, same like the previous model. So no Condura inserts, unfortunately. To conclude, I will say that's a great boot overall, comfortable, but if you work outdoors or you really run into rainy conditions, etc., I will not recommend. And I think the durability also is not that great as the previous one, because this material, the upper material, is fragile, is soft, is breathable, but I will say can be damaged really fast. Depends always on the type of the work which you are doing. Yeah, that's from my side. One more time the boot around. Here the same as for rope climbing as the previous one. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.